Creating a Payoneer account is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the Payoneer website. Go to the Payoneer website and click on the Sign Up or Register button. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you need based on your profession or business requirements, such as freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, or individual. Fill in personal information. Enter your personal details, including your first and last name, email address, and date of birth. Ensure the information matches your government-issued ID. Contact details. Provide your contact details, such as your country, address, and phone number. Ensure accuracy for verification purposes. Account security. Create a username and password. Set security questions for account recovery. Verification and additional information. Provide additional details such as your national ID, driver's license, or passport for verification. Fill in financial details, including your bank account information where you want to receive funds. Review and submit. Review all entered information to ensure accuracy. Agree to Payoneer's terms and conditions, then submit your application. Account approval. Wait for Payoneer to review and approve your application. This may take a few days. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is approved.